When a package is being shipped through FedEx and the shipping status indicates a clearance delay, it means the package is being held at the customs office, typically due to import or export procedures. To resolve this issue, it is necessary to contact the relevant customer service department and inquire about the reasons for the delay. Common causes of clearance delays include missing shipping documents, inaccurate or incomplete product descriptions, and the shipment of prohibited or restricted products. To clear the package, it is essential to provide the required documentation as requested by the customs office and follow any additional instructions. The issue is usually resolved within a few days, after which the package is cleared for delivery. However, if the issue remains pending after 10 days, the package is typically returned to the sender. By following these steps, resolving clearance delays at FedEx can be a straightforward process.